Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for opening this video. This is Claudia and I am in this trench today. Foundation. Trying to set up a matting here. Well, as the men go through and try and set that one. Let me just show you this one here. So this one, the stirrups are 1 foot apart. And this is actually 5/8. So it's 5/8 and the stirrups 1/2 inch. Am I correct? Oh, it's straight to use on stirrups?
Yeah, these stirrups are just the links supposed to come out there. Yeah.
Oh, the links down here?
Yeah, man, the links are
okay. But this matting is 5/8. So the matting is 5/8. So this entire foundation, the matting is 5/8. And the links them are and the links them are 1/2 inch.
That good?
Yeah. And then
No, that was step 3 inches from that.
So we had to come up with these 5/8, right? So I'm gonna show you now how it's actually lined up to give you an idea so that when you're doing yours you can see it. If you don't have the energy to do yours, you give me a call and then we will do the building for you. All right, guys? So I soon show you now how we actually set up one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back.
Watch it. All right, you want that? And draw the center one for the 3 inches from it. Watch me again. This one. Watch me. Yeah, too much, man. You're going too much here. Just mark it now. Put your 3 inches. You put your 3 inch mark on it, man.
So what are you trying to do now?
One to the wall wire, man. Oh, yes, sir. No column now, sir. Yeah. That's how work, man. See it?
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, no, that's a living room.
But you might have a wall that come across there.
So what is the science behind this now? Tell the people, they want to know. So that's a matting, that thing, square thing.
Yeah, that's a column foot.
Column foot.
That's a base.
That's the base. Okay.
That's
oh, the matting is the one running in the
yeah,
trench.
Yeah.
All right, get that, guys. The matting is the one running in the trench, all the way down. So this runs all the way through the foundation. And this one is a column base. The square one. This is what the
square one is a support. When it comes to support for the column.
For the columns, right? And these columns are 12 inches.
Yeah, 1 foot by 8.
Okay.
1 foot by 8.
1 foot by 8. Because this is the outer wall. So it is the thickness of the block is 8 inches. Right. Okay, so we would say on the long side it is 12 inches and on the short side it is 8 inches. That's the side that the block actually turns. So is this the one going here?
Yeah, that's the one.
And this one is called well, I call it a flat.
5/8. Flat.
Yeah. And you have L, so some of them shaping an L. So like this one, ladies and gentlemen, this one is shaped in the L, right? As you can see, it's shaped like a L. Right, it's shaped like a L, right? So it has 2, 4, 6, 8 rebars or 8 steel going up. So for this one, our matting is 5/8. Our links, which are those things you see, making the horizontal in the matting, that is 1/2 inch, right? And these now are column. This is 5/8, and our stirrups, those are 3/8, and they're 1 foot apart. So these things you see wrapping around, those are called stirrups. 1 foot apart. They're 1 foot apart. All right.
Yeah.